Hi, so we are going to it is very fun. We play Stacky Berry. I hope you guys have fun at home. And let's get into it. There's a new Halloween update, which is quite cool. You can get new animals and yeah, you can't touch the box or you'll not. Yeah. So that's what happens. You fall off. Yeah, these are the Halloween ones. I'm still trying to get them. No. No. I got a different pet. Soon. I got a different pet, so I got the cat, this doggy. These both from the Halloween. This one is Echo. Echo is a bat, and he is nocturnal. No, that's a nocturnal. And I died again. Tap to restart. So we're gonna do a few of these. And I'll play a Halloween update if you want me to. See there you can see I've been 14. Where we just won. We've done it this way. We've got a bit actually we can go here and we've got a little bit shooting. Yeah, cool. That guy. We've got some songs going on. It's only early in the morning, so yeah. Yeah, we got money. We got a lot of money. So
Yeah, can I catch rare fishes?
episode,
Of course, I'm an expert. Look at this
if I
beautiful
get
stingray. Oh my gosh,
15
a shame
likes,
I haven't updated
if
my
I get
speed
15
before. I finally got
likes
him. I'm gonna
and
put him into the big
subscribers,
tank because it unlocks dolphins
then
after.
I
Of
will
course,
buy
the
a pet.
aquarium's visitors are gonna be super pleased to.
So there's just an ad going on. And yeah. Do one more and then end. So here we go. Oh no, I died. So yeah,